In this demo, I'm going to show you how quickly you can sync the data from the ClassLink for your any of your district, right? Once you sign in as an administrator, you need to click on this plus button, add group to create a district. I already created one district, so I will quickly show you that. Right? So this is my district, and here is the same thing we will see, right? First, you need to provide the group name, what is the district name, small description about that district, and what is the email ID of that particular district, right? You can put any email ID, so you can log in as a district as well in Kitaboo, right? The group ID, this is something you will get from the ClassLink side. If you go to the rostering, right, view roster server thing, you will see all the district account, and here is the tenant ID, which you can put as a client group ID, and it should be unique. Okay. Then you need to select onboarding tab as ClassLink. Roster type should be one roster. Sync with API or FTP, you can select which one you want. Okay. And the match with should be always source ID, and make sure you enable this suffix, and authorization should be 1.1 or 2.0. It depends upon that. And again, so this you need to provide URL, consumer key, secret key, and the tenant ID. Okay. So I already explained you how you will get a tenant ID. The rest of the data you will get from this click on this button that is key, and you can click on this direct, right? You will get URL, client key ID, secret ID. Okay. Once you're done, just click on done button. Okay. Then your group get created. Okay. At this point, your school, your district is not yet created. Okay. Just the district is created, the blank district. So you need to go to this section and click on this sync all data. So it will sync all the school, all the users, all the classes. But let's say if you want to select any specific school, right? You can use this option selective sync, where you can decide rather than 10 school, I just wanted 3 school to be synced, not all the data. So you can see that. You can also check the last sync status, when the last data will be synced, right? How many users have been synced. So these are the information is available. If you want to delete, right, and resync everything, you can just first you need to click on the clear log, delete this and resync the data. And there is an option to again put the automatic syncing as well on a daily basis, weekly basis, or the monthly basis also. That option is also available. Right now, at this point, our data is created, the roster is synced, right? District is created, school is created, user and classes is created. Now, the next step is that you want to assign a content. You can just click on this issue licenses, select the content, which content you want to assign. Let's say I want to assign a human body, right? So I can just search for it. And here is a list of title which I got, right? Uh, Let me just say I want to assign the discovering and click on next. So it will ask you how many licenses you want to give. So you can give that particular district 100 license per school. So every school get 100 licenses. Okay. And how many devices the user can download. What is your contract with that school, 1 year or perpetual? So you can give the perpetual access also. And that's it, done. The now you can log in as a district, or you can ask the district to log in on the studio platform, which you can provide the username and password, and they can see all the title which is publisher you are given to them, right? So if you see, this has 100 licenses, and here is my all my school, that is 3 school is there. If I want to see which school, which user are present, so I can go to the user tab. These are the user, these are the classes, right? So I can, as a district admin, I can assign a content to a specific class. So all the user who is belonging to that particular class get access. If you want to give any specific user access, then you can select the user option and select the username and provide the access. Once you provided the access, you can ask the end user, right? So this is my end user launchpad where I can click on the sign in, and I can see there will be your application rather than the Kitaboo application, your branded application. Right now this is the Kitaboo application, right? When I click on it, It will do the single sign on, and user can see and launch the title directly in Kitaboo reader. So it does not require any technical skill set. It's just a click of a button and you can access the entire Kitaboo reader, right? I can click on it and I can access that. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.